Hello, Wendy, parts of our family. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing healthy and delicious fruit pie. Oh my gosh. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button and hit that bell notification where you never miss another video that I posted. So let's get started. To start off, we're going to be doing two different type of pies: strawberry fruit tart pie and blueberry pie. I'm going to be adding the strawberry Jello mixing powder, and that strawberry Jello mixing powder has the right amount of sweetness to it where I don't even have to add other sugars to it. Even the confection sugar, I did not have to add it. And the strawberry pie. Also, I add 1/4 cup of water with the cornstarch and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mixing it very well. Remember, this is strawberry fruit tart pie, and I will be getting to the blueberry pie really soon. So these two pies are totally different. To finish the strawberry fruit tart pie, you should refrigerate for about 4 hours or leave it for overnight, and it will be perfect. I'm going to be going on to the next pie, which is the blueberry pie. I already set up the crust, which is going to be the layer for the top of the blueberry, okay? I will be cutting these into sections in a lattice form to do the crust for the top layer of the blueberry pie. For the blueberry, I end up adding a little bit more fresh blueberries, blueberry pie filling, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/4 cup of cornstarch, 1/4 cup of almond milk or regular milk to do the trick. Okay? And stir really well so everything can have its flavor. And I will be baking it only for 15 to 20 minutes, and to put into the refrigerator for about 4 hours or to leave it for overnight, same as the strawberry pie. have it bake on for about 20 to 30 minutes on 350, and that should be the end.